mixed well together that we can let you know the brownish. This is at 2100 degrees.
Oh wow.
And it's so little dips on here. Then we'll go add our color, which is what's in those bowls over there. So that just makes it so that I can have a little bit more, come back for a little bit more white and then a little more red. Table a little bit because if I don't, one of those colors will likely fold in on itself when we go to swirl it. There, so that it's round and not folding. You see, you got get that folded. There we go. I'm gonna move with me. Sorry. Alright, so now that we're sparking a little bit, go ahead and put that back in the water. You can leave it in there. And we're gonna grab this in the fall and winter. In the spring we do a lot of sculpted flowers, but we also have a lot of other things that are year round.